This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something. All right, so that's one more off there. Here was and I don't know if you run into this, and unfortunately I updated my code, so I don't have the example, but I was trying to have Chrome be started, not maximum. It's I don't know what's the right term when it's maximized, but it's not the entire screen. You restore it, but is there a term for that? It
I think it is restored,
yeah, restored.
or we can say not maximized.
Yeah, but it's not minimized. It's
Yeah,
yeah. Um,
unmaximized version.
but I was trying to move it to I wanted to make sure, okay, I launch Chrome on this monitor. When I hit my hotkey, I want it on a certain monitor and I want it in a certain state. I didn't want to worry about it overlapping my taskbar, which sometimes it does. Um, but what was weird was when I was using the normal way of just is
Full
it Win
screen.
Maximum?
Full screen.
Well, the full screen, yeah, but the full screen and maximized,
Or same.
yeah, they are, which is weird. It's the one that's not quite full screen that I don't know if there's a right term for that. But
Okay.
but when I used the Win Maximize, let's just stick with that for now.
Mhm.
It broke with Chrome when I was using the Chrome.exe. And when I talked to Claude, it said, oh, you're getting this error. What would happen was Chrome would move, but there'd be nothing in the frame, so to speak. It would like move the program, but didn't bring the window with it, if that makes sense. It was really weird. Let's see if you can just replicate something real quickly with Chrome.
Okay. So let me share my screen. So we are trying to move a Chrome window. So let me do a V2 and I think and it's here 2.0 plus. And here we need to put WinMove.
No, I think it
And
was, well, I thought it was Win Maximize. No, but that maybe it was WinMove. Just try WinMove to start. Let's see what it does. And I was
okay,
using the EXE.
okay, you were using the exe, but I think it will not find it, the exe.
I
Oh,
would not.
you were doing like this,
Yeah,
AHK exe.
yeah, yeah. So I
Oh,
didn't have a title. I just wanted Chrome to be moved.
okay, so 1, 2, 3, and fourth Adam. I think it's not suggesting me for some reason. So 200 and 200 and 400 and 600. I think that'll be fine. And if I run that, it didn't do it anything. Let me close all the Chrome windows. So this should be the one. It doesn't do anything. And if I say dive, okay, it didn't found it. Dive deep. Okay. Sorry, this D is capital and that was small. Well, let me remove that and see if that working. That is not moving the window. Maybe it was maximized. Okay. So when it is maximized, it cannot move it.
Yeah, that sounds right. You have to
Yeah.
minimize it, move it, and then remaximize it.
So we have to do when maximize. So So we can do win maximize and tell it to not to do, I think. There is a term, but there is no method for that. Okay.
But here, I found I'm gonna send it in to you because I don't want people to think it's actually good code. Um, I found the what Claude gave me initially, and it's what broke my Chrome, so to speak.
Okay. Okay. So this would be fine. And then title. And then it is running the Chrome executable if it doesn't exist.
Yeah, because I was saying I wanted to launch it.
Oh,
Yeah.
so it is restore and maximizes when restore. So we are doing when restore and then we are moving it and when then we are maximizing it. So let me run it. So
Try closing Chrome first.
okay. Okay, that's something. It's a black screen.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you. It was weird.
Ah, okay. So the issue is it asked me which. So there is no Chrome window available yet, and
Hmm.
this is different thing.
Yeah.
I select it and then this Chrome window comes up, but you can see this. This is some hidden window that it caught and tried to maximize it, I think. So that was the issue. So if I do that, it is maximizing it. So let me change it to 200. So and 400 and 600. And let me run it. It is max. Oh, okay. So maximizing it. Okay. So I can move it to my other screen, I think. So if my X is more than 2000, I think, and it will be maximized on my other computer, I think. Sorry, other display. Yeah, it maximized on my other display. And if I make it 200, it will come here and maximize here. That's that script is working. I think it is this way I can move my window to other screen and
Hmm.
make it maximize. That's cool.
Yeah, it was that weird screen. I mean, I had a different screen, but still, it actually switched over to using the Chrome class instead of the exe to identify it, and that fixed it.
Okay. Chrome.
Let me
Yeah, because the Chrome class is not available yet when we run the fresh Chrome.exe. So that's why I think it is waiting for that one, I think.
open that and let people see it. That's what Claude said.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, that's what it told me of the problem was.
The the problem in the Chrome already maximized state WinMove is effectively moving a window maximized, which is illegal. So I disable this line and then it will do something, I think. So if it is maximized, it is not doing anything, I think.
Well,
So
and it did for me once at least, but is it in those coordinates or is that the other coordinates? No, put it on your other window maximized.
okay.
No, not with this. Move it manually over there, maximize it.
Okay. Oh,
Move it to
that
the
was that was weird. So it is maximized on my other screen. Let me make it 200 and then okay. This is something.
Yeah.
I'm sorry about that, kid.
So it was a really weird thing, and I've never run into that with any other program. I don't know if Chrome, for some reason, I don't know if we could do the same thing with Notepad. I think you're muted or friend here.
I think we can try Notepad.
Yeah. But it's just one of those things. Make sure if you're going to maximize something or move it, don't have it maximized. You got to check first, which you would think the WinMove would automatically incorporate that, right? Like, I'm kind of surprised Lexicos doesn't have that check done automatically.
What does the help file say?
Yeah, good question.
Let me see. So when restore, I think, when maximize.
You're not sharing.
Oh, I'm sorry. So when we do win maximize, it needs the title, and then it doesn't talk about restore, I
No,
think, but
it's WinMove that I think we need to look at. That's what we were using, right? And when it is maximized, we're
mhm,
doing WinMove on a maximized window is the problem.
okay.
Correct? Am I right? I think I'm right.
It doesn't say anything about the maximize here. But we do have when restore, so we should use restore first. So we have when restore.
The
So we
restore is the
restore.
toggle.
Yeah, restore would unmaximize it.
Yeah.
Yeah, unmaximize or maximizes specific windows.
See, what a weird thing though that the normal state doesn't have a name, if that makes sense. There's maximized, there's minimized, and then there's something that when it doesn't take up the entire window, which apparently doesn't have a name.
Yeah, it is a restore.
Can you try Notepad?
Yeah, let me try Notepad. So let me try Notepad. Okay, it maximizes it, and let me. It is not doing anything, I think. Okay. It is not maximizing it. It is not maximizing it. Okay, now it is maximizing it. It restores. Okay, move it. I think there should be some slip in maximize and minimize. So Chrome windows are weird. So let me maximize. Okay. So I found something. So this button is, you can see that it changed to maximize, you see, and now it will maximize it. And you can see that the icon is changed. So
Yeah.
this is the maximize icon, this is the restore icon, and when I use my tool, it maximizes it, but when I restore it, my icon is changed. It thinks it maximized, but it is not.
Interesting.
And this icon is would just restore it. So if I move it, then it will update. Okay. That is something. So it maximizes it, and then when I run it, so there's something happening even with the this icon.
Yeah.
So I have to click twice to maximize it. That's the weird bug.
All right. Let's let's finish this. I gotta stop the recording here. Members enjoy a sweet 25% discount on everything we offer, from in-depth courses to ready-made scripts and pro services. Tap into over 466 plus hours of AHK video gold, including fresh clips like this, for anytime learning that fits your schedule.